Now you know. Now you know. If you know, you know. The big ballers in town. Now you know. Now you know. Forget what they know them.
John Iwuajoku is a visionary and very successful CEO with more than 30 years of great leadership in the banking, insurance, and technology industries, known for leading the way in digital transformation, operational excellence, and strategic repositioning of big companies in Nigeria's fast-changing markets. Proven ability to lead complicated restructuring, spark new ideas, and bring about long-term growth. Adept at stakeholder engagement, financial services, and building high-performance teams. Right now, he is guiding High-Gear HMO towards becoming the best in the sector through smart growth, new technologies, and solutions that put the customer first. John is a transformative executive with a long history of changing the course of companies, including successful turnarounds and initiatives that were the first of their kind in the industry. He has a strong educational background and is always learning more about being an executive with courses at Harvard, Wharton, SIDE, and Columbia Business School, amongst others. Ladies and gentlemen, it's my pleasure to present to you John Iwuajoku, MD CEO, High-Gear HMO, a speaker at the public lecture of the Board of Fellows, Pharmaceutical Society of Nigeria.
How much is money?
It's nothing.
Ballin'. Premium or nothing.